जहाँ रहूं मैं कहीं भी हूँ तेरी याद साथ है.
Oh, hi, Namrata.
Good to see you.
Well, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm okay. I mean, ever since I moved to the Metro West area, there are these times when I feel like I want to connect a little more with the South Asian community. And how do I engage? How do I volunteer? But I just don't know how to go about it. And it's okay, क्योंकि छोटे-छोटे शहरों में ऐसी बड़ी-बड़ी बातें होती रहती है.
Such?
सच? सच में?
Such ही में. Such ही में.
I'm not sure I understand what you're trying to get at.
Such ही में are all your answers, Addy.
Such? Such? Such?
Dude, have you heard about Such?
No, I mean, is it the... Oh, no, you got to tell me what Such is about.
Let me tell you what Such is about. It's called the South Asian Circle of Hopkinton. They bring together the South Asian diaspora to hold festivals, connect to each other, the community, other communities, everybody.
Ding dong, oh baby! Now it's ringing a bell. Is that the organization that does all the Diwali and the Holi parties?
They do. The Diwali and Holi party is just for cultural awareness. But
Oh.
they do a lot more than that.
Oh, wow, nahi. ये नहीं हो सकता. And how come I don't even know about them?
But hota hai, let me tell you a little bit about Such, okay? All the things that they do are much beyond festivals. I mean, some people think of us as event planners,
Yeah.
but we are like so much more than that. Let me tell you a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Have you heard about last year I was at my daughter's graduation
Uh-huh.
and there were 2 students who got STEM scholarships from Such.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
That was Such.
That's great, yeah.
In addition to that, were you at the Commons? I mean, clearly always at the Commons. So
Yeah.
were you at the Commons for the balmy morning where we did a Tai Chi session?
That
with,
was you guys?
Yeah, with the
wow.
Chinese Association and the HCA.
I see, yeah.
That was us too.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm a big, foodie and I love to celebrate everything. So did you come to the iftar night at the Hopkinton High School? We worked with the Muslim Association. We celebrated Eid together. We
That's
ate.
awesome.
Yes, it was wonderful. So we had iftar during
Yeah.
Ramazan, and it just connected us to the community. But besides that, have you been to the Holi celebration at the
Oh,
Western
that,
Nurseries?
yeah, it was so much fun. Oh,
Yes,
that's
yes.
a lot of fun.
Colored, whole,
Yes,
friends,
yeah.
and free event. I mean, that's really amazing, isn't
that's
it?
a big deal.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's
that's
not
great.
it. There's still so much more they do, This year, they've worked really hard with the Hopkinton schools to, in this thing called Breaking Barriers. They're trying to teach the faculty and the staff on how best to work with South Asian students.
Oh, neat. That's
Yep.
really neat.
And of course, last but not the least for this conversation, because there's so much more, there's panel discussions on assimilation, integration, all of that is done by Such. Did you know that?
Now, that is not an organization. ये organization ही नहीं, maha-organization है. It's a great organization. Now, where do you all get the funds from?
Oh, what a great question. Such के पास बंगला नहीं है, गाड़ी नहीं है, लेकिन Such के पास members हैं. So all of our members come together. Like I know I'm a member and I feel like I could make a difference, and so does everybody. So you could be a part of Such, just make a big difference.
Look at that. Some time back, I just didn't know how to go about it. And now, koi mil gaya. So yeah, now how do I volunteer? Like how do I become part of
Well,
it?
there's lots of things we do. So this year we also actually sponsor a bib for the Boston Marathon. So while we fulfill someone's dreams of running a marathon, it helps us collect funds. You can volunteer for that, or you can be a part of any of the events. You can be a sponsor. You can be spreading the word of mouth. You can join us for every festival. There's tons of events. And of course, all the things I told you, if you just get in touch with us, you can absolutely be a part of all that.
Awesome. Sometime back, I was like, kabhi khushi, kabhi gham. Now it's like, all khushi, no gham. Hey, Namrata, can you please just share the information about the organization?
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
Okay, great.
I'll do it
Yeah.
right now. Hold on 1 second. Yeah.
Oh,
Boom.
cool.
You should have it now.
Got it. That's so great. You know what? इस बार मोगैम्बो ही नहीं, एडी भी खुश हुआ.
I'm so happy and come be a part of Such because Such में ही हमारे सारे answers हैं.
Such में.
है ना?
Such में.
है ना? So good to see you, Ali.
Same here, Namrata.
Lovely, and let's be in touch
yeah, please
because.
introduce me to the whoever the committee and the organization.
Oh,
whenever you have a
absolutely.
chance.
You know, I know them very well, and of course, we'd love to immerse you. So please join us.
Yeah, sure, great.
And so should all of you.
Yeah, sure.
All right,
Great,
thanks,
thank
Ali.
you.
See you. Say
Yeah,
hi to the family.
We'll call the president.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you, Namrata and Ali. That was a short, sweet, very informative skit on what Such is all about. Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to one and all. Regardless of whether you've been in Hopkinton for many years now, or you've just moved into town, or if you're from one of the surrounding towns, as I know some of you are in the audience today, we are incredibly excited to have all of you here today. It's our honor, privilege, and pleasure that you've chosen to spend your Saturday evening with us to celebrate Diwali with Such. So thank you. I'll admit that I have a difficult and unenviable task of speaking to you after that delicious dinner spread, as that food is settling down in your tummy. And I'm in the way of you and an amazing evening of performances we've put together for you. So I'll try to keep this brief. Tonight, we have really talented performers from our own community that'll be transporting you on a journey of Bollywood through the decades. We also have students from Hopkinton High that are performing for the very first time as part of a Diwali gala. And SAG, that's the high school club that's participating today, South Asian Affinity Group, is a club that's devoted to celebrating and promoting South Asian culture. If you have a kid in high school, or if you have a budding middle schooler going into high school next year, I strongly encourage you to have them consider joining SAG as one of the clubs. Before we begin with the festivities, of course, I forgot the highlight of the evening. So, in addition to our own community performers, the highlight of the evening today is we have one of the premier Bhangra groups in the nation performing for us. We have Boston Bhangra in the house, and with their high energy, dynamic, interactive performance, we are sure that today evening will be an unforgettable evening. So I'm looking forward to that. Before we begin with the festivities, I do want to take a minute or two to talk a little bit more about Such, our mission and the work we do. Hopkinton, our sweet little town, has blossomed in diversity. I was reading a statistic that the foreign-born population in Hopkinton has grown 112% in the last 5 years. And we know that a majority of that growth is from the South Asian demographic. So in the face of this transformational growth, it's really important that we foster connections between the South Asian community members. But not only that, we have to foster connections between the South Asian community and the town at large, our neighbors, our friends, town officials, and other organizations within town. So I would say the mission and the work we do at Such has never been more relevant in the face of this exponential growth we've seen in our community. So I'm really excited for what the next few years holds for Such. Some of the glimpses of the things we've done this year, you heard about in the skit, but I think it bears mentioning again. So we kicked off this year by celebrating Ramadan by organizing an interfaith iftar night in collaboration with the Muslim Student Association in Hopkinton High. Then we ushered in spring through a fantastic celebration of Holi, the Festival of Colors, which is a very popular event that we put together, which is free, I might add, in the beautiful premises of Western Nurseries. Later in the spring, we collaborated with the Hopkinton Chinese American Association to put together an event called Yoga and Tai Chi on the Common. So these are just a few of the events that we at Such put together. In addition to this, we work very closely with the school systems. As Namrata mentioned, this year, we organized a series of workshops called Navigating Barriers Through Cultural Conversations, which was aimed at educating the educators on what are the nuances and differences between South Asian culture and Western culture, and really equip the educators to deal with this fundamental change in the demographics that they are seeing in the school system. The feedback and response from the school administrators and the teachers was overwhelmingly positive. And this was possible by such collaborating with our own Namrata Mathur through her coaching company in NAMSCO. In addition to that, I will say that I've been in Hopkinton now 8 years. I've seen a lot of young kids actually volunteer and work with such over these years. And it gives me tremendous pride and it warms my heart that they've actually, through this process of working with such, found a deeper sense of their own cultural identity. And that's a fantastic thing. I hope to see more young kids in our community get involved with organizations like such and with SAG so that they can find their roots and they can celebrate where they came from and their cultural identity. I would be remiss if I did not take a minute to express my profound gratitude for the incredible team behind such. These are amazing individuals who I count as family, and they have full-time jobs, they are full-time dads and moms, they carry the full load of the obligations that come with it, and yet the devotion, dedication, and the passion they bring to the work we do at such is nothing short of inspiring. And events like today would not be possible without their hard work and dedication and passion. So please, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the incredible team behind such. Thank you. Of course, I want to take a minute to really thank and acknowledge our sponsors. Your steadfast support and encouragement for the work that we do is truly, truly appreciated. We wouldn't be where we are without your support. Your support goes a long way in ensuring that Hopkinton is a warm and inclusive place for everyone. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Lastly, as I wrap up, I just wanted to call attention to 3 things. The first thing is, if you had a good time today, if you enjoyed dinner, if you enjoyed the performances, if you liked the decor, if you liked the people that you sat with and had a conversation, doesn't matter. If you liked it, consider please donating to such. Every single dollar goes a long way for a fledgling nonprofit like ours. If donating isn't your thing, I understand, then give us feedback on today's event. You will see QR codes printed on each of the tables. Take out your phone after the event and point to it. It'll launch you to a survey that I promise you should take less than a minute. As you can imagine, an event like this, the planning and the execution of this, takes a lot of effort and time. So your 1 minute or less than that to give us feedback goes a long way and it'll make our day. So that's the second thing. The third thing is the most important thing. It's mandatory, no excuses. It's to have fun. Fun with a capital F-U-N tonight. We have an amazing evening planned for you. A lot of performers have put in a lot of hard work and practice to put this together. And we have Boston Bhangra that's going to bring down the house later tonight. So please have fun and let's celebrate tonight in the luminous spirit of Diwali. Thank you, everyone.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Glam Jam Bollywood Eras Tour. To present the first era, please welcome on stage a multifaceted Such board member that wears many hats in addition to being our marketing and communications co-chair, Namrata Mathur.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing wonderfully here tonight. We are so delighted to have you here, and we look forward to unfolding an incredible evening. And as we do that, I'm here to introduce the eras between the 1950s and 1970s, the evolution of Bollywood music. So the 1950s through the 70s was considered the golden era of Bollywood music. It was characterized by innovative compositions of Naushad, S.T. Burman, Lata Mangeshkar, and Shankar Jaikishan in films like Barsat, Shri 420, Baiju Bawra, and Avara. They set the stage for Bollywood's musical evolution. The 1970s saw Bollywood get musically bolder as Bobby inquired, what happens when hum tum ek kamre mein band ho, or chabi kho jaye? I'm not sure what Bobby had in mind, but I know I would order DoorDash. So tonight, as we give our ode to the various eras of Bollywood music, let us celebrate the magic of the 50s through the 70s, when melody painted a picture for our emotions and found expressions through magical compositions. Tonight, to give ode to that era, we've got our Gen Zs, the Gen Alphas, all of them coming out here and having a great time for you tonight. It's going to be Shami's Shake Shake to Rishi's Disco coming right up.
जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के।
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है। ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी जाना है।
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर। जय जय शिव शंकर कांटा लगे न कंकर के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया
ओ गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी जो तुमने मुझे थाम लिया आसां रख दी
जय जय शिव शंकर कांटा लगे न कंकर के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया
ओ गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी जो तूने मुझे थाम लिया आसां रख दी
दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे कदमों में आ दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे दुनिया की बहारें तेरे लिए चांद सितारे तेरे लिए जाने अदा हो जाने अदा जाने वफा तुझ पे मैं फिदा हो जाने वफा तुझ पे मैं फिदा हो दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे कदमों में आ दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे
To present our next era, please welcome such co-founder, former president, and a such cheerleader for life, the amazing Ruta Upalekar.
Mic check.
Please pause this, yeah.
Okay, I have to pause and just, I'm sure you all are mesmerized with the little kids performing the yesteryear songs. If you all want to give another big round of applause to the littlest of the little, carrying the legacy forward with those incredibly cute songs. Thank you. So the 1980s and 90s were a transformative decade for Bollywood. Each marked distinct trends in music, storytelling, and star power. Most significantly in this era was the shift from male dominance in the Bollywood scene. So we saw Rekha, Sridevi, and Madhuri Dixit, the three distinct and most iconic actresses in the history of Bollywood. Each of these women carved out a distinct legacy in their careers and made significant contributions to the Indian film industry. Now, the rivalry between Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi, I'm sure most of you remember, is perhaps the most talked about in the history of Bollywood. Sridevi was known for her intense acting and emotional depth in films like Sadma, Chandni, Mr. India. Now, Madhuri Dixit, on the other hand, the Dhak Dhak girl, became known for her grace, screen presence, and impeccable dance moves. Her films like Dil To Pagal Hai, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, and Beta cemented her status as a Bollywood diva. Both these decades shaped Bollywood into a global entertainment force, blending tradition and modernity. So now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming to the stage a performer whose elegance and grace is going to leave you breathless. With every movement, she weaves a story and invites us to experience the poetry of motion. Prepare to be captivated by the art of dance as we present to you Hopkinton's very own Muniza Nasrullah. Enjoy.
मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता, अफसाने हजारों हैं, अफसाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के। मेरे हाथों में नौ नौ चूड़ियां हैं, थोड़ा ठहरो सजन मजबूरियां हैं। मेरे हाथों में नौ नौ चूड़ियां हैं, थोड़ा ठहरो सजन मजबूरियां हैं। मिलन होगा अभी एक रात की दूरियां हैं। आते जाते गली में मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं 8-10 लड़के। आते जाते गली में मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं 8-10 लड़के। चले जाए किसी दिन ये सवेरे नागन फड़के, तेरे पीछे पड़े हैं 8-10 लड़के। हाय मेरे घुटनों से लंबी, हाय मेरी चोटी है मेरी आँख शतरंज दी गोटी है। मेरे घुटनों से लंबी मेरी चोटी है, मेरी आँख शतरंज दी गोटी है। मेरे बाबुल आखिर कहना आखिर छोटी है। तेरे घुटनों से लंबी तेरी चोटी है, तेरी आँख शतरंज दी गोटी है। 18 बरस की कवारी गली थी, घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपा के चली थी। 18 बरस की कवारी गली थी, घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपा के चली थी। फंसी गोरी चने के खेत में, हुई चोरी चने के खेत में।
Creativity must be engineered, and dreams must be scoped. The presenter for the next era reminds us of this all the time. Such board emeritus, the wonderful Tejaswini Dalvi.
Hello, beautiful people. A very good evening to you all. Wasn't that a mesmerizing performance by Muniza? And you know what? After the way Muniza captured the timeless beauties of, the Hindi cinema, Madhuri Dixit, Rekha and Sridevi, I have no courage to set a foot on that stage. Oh no, I'm really not going there. So I'm only here to introduce to our next performers. So as the world sort of like prepared and stepped into the millennium, that decade for the Hindi film industry was absolutely a game changer. We had movies like Lagan and Swades, which sort of reminded us of patriotism. Then we also had Munna Bhai, MBBS. Of course, the societal structures and the challenge associated with it. And then we had Tare Zameen Par. In such a beautiful way, the director brought to us the problems around special education. We had all these wonderful cinema that the directors brought to us. But one thing remained constant. Hindi cinema never ever failed to deliver foot-tapping music and absolutely wonderful dance performances. Do we all agree with that? Yes. So here we have our own divas of Hopkinton presenting to you the late 1900s and the 2000s. Please give it away for the divas of Hopkinton.
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह जिसकी जुबान उर्दू की तरह मेरी शाम रात मेरी कायनात वो यार मेरा सैया सैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर कब प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई ले गई ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई
झिम सन 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 हवा टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियाँ
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू
आई 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 जुबी डूबी डूबी पंपारा जुबी डूबी परापा
जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मान
से नैन मिलाऊं सजना कैसे मैं ऐसे ना घबराऊं सजना कैसे आए ना ऐसे मोहे लाज सजना छूना ना देखो मोहे आज सजना
look around you, and take in the starry glam jam vibe. What do you think, huh? Our next presenter was key in making this happen for us. Please welcome the talented Sushma Tamareddy.
Well, that was Moja Hi Moja, wasn't it, guys? And now for the global era of Bollywood. A total banger of an era in which Hollywood was about to find out about Natu. PC, DP, RRR, OTT is the code Indian cinema hacked the world with. We are no longer Lapata. In fact, Hanuman kind made sure we are the big dogs. 2000s to 2024 saw Radha on the dance floor, Anarkali in the disco. Our dils went Badtameez. And Toba, Toba, can we have more of Vicky, please? To represent an era so bright that we need Kala Chashmas, please welcome our bright next gen, the SAG team, doing the Tumka while asking what? Jhumka!
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जोगी राधा बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोली घूम कर बजा दे के मैं आ गई मुझको लगा के नाच ले आजा नाच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार हो नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार
Pretty lady, pretty lady, pretty lady, can't take my eyes off you. Pretty lady, pretty lady, pretty lady. राय बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी. Pretty lady, pretty lady, pretty lady. राय बरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। अरे बहन के इतना जेवर गहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना, गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा ले।
What झुमका? What झुमका? What झुमका?
Pretty lady, pretty lady, pretty lady, can't take my eyes off you. Pretty lady, pretty lady, pretty lady.
All right, what an incredible set of performances from everyone. For those who know a little bit about me, dancing is my weakness, and I had to contain myself backstage. Maybe you'll see me on the stage later on or on the floor. But what an incredible night of performances. I know everybody has worked really hard to prepare for this night. So I'd like to invite all the performers on stage and take a bow. You know, Bollywood has transformed from the glitz and glamour of the 70s to the high energy beats of today. And our performers here brought that to life on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause again. A big round of applause again, everyone. Thank you. Be ready to cheer, be ready to clap, and of course, be ready to join them on the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the one and only Boston Bhangra.
Wow, that was quite an introduction. We're going to blow the roof off of Hopkinton, huh? Okay. Let's see if we can blow the roof off. So, how's Hopkinton doing tonight? Okay, that was pretty good, okay? But I have a pagadi on, guys. I can't hear you, okay? So you got to be louder. Let me hear it one more time. How's Hopkinton doing tonight? There we go. That's the kind of energy that we want to see. So guys, listen. Boston Bhangra, we've been doing this for a long time. We teach classes. We have teams like this. We have Bollywood teams, Bhangra teams. We do a lot of different things. If you guys are interested in learning more about us, please visit bostonbhangra.com. Like I said, Bollywood Bhangra, all ages, adults, kids. Don't care if you like dance, get involved with us, you know. We also have events that we do. You know, one of them we're going to be highlighting is the Boston Bhangra competition. So if you guys like what you see here tonight, you will really enjoy our show that's going to be done next week in Boston, where we bring the best teams from all over North America to Boston. So again, enough of the commercial stuff, right? So now let's have some fun together. So the first thing I want to ask you guys have seen Bhangra, you're going to see Bhangra here tonight, but do you guys also know that sound effects are a big part of Bhangra? Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna teach you guys some sound effects, and we're gonna have some fun with people, and then I'm gonna ask for some volunteers to come up, you know, so we can kind of do this together as a group, okay? So, the first sound effect, hi, hi! Hi, hi! Hi, hi! Good, I like that energy, guys. Hopkinton's got some energy tonight. Okay, next sound track, we're gonna do bale bale! Bale bale! Bale bale! Okay, good. Third one. Jak de! Jak de! Jak de! Okay, that's good. Okay, so as we kind of figure this out. Okay. All right, so we're just going to figure this stuff out, right? Okay, very interesting. Okay, anyway, so a couple things, right? So now you guys have heard those sound effects, right? Now I need 3 adults and I need 3 kids. 3 adults, 3 kids. Come on up. Oh, we got 1. I need 2 more. I got 2. I got 3. Good. I got the kids. I need 3 adults. 3 adults. Okay, we got 1. I got 1. I need 2 more. We got 2. We got 2. She's coming. I got 3. I got 4. Okay, hey, I'll take 4. I'll take 4. I'll take 4. Come on over here. Come on over here. So if you come on this side, because we have the kids on this side and the adults on this side, okay? So guys, this is what we're gonna do. Oh, we got 5. Oh, wow. Okay. And another kid, come on over. Come on over. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do, right? So you guys heard those sound effects. See, I love when I ask for volunteers when they have no idea what I'm gonna ask them to do. That's the best part. That's the best part. So this is gonna be a competition, okay? Between the adults and the kids, okay? And the judges are all of you. Now, one thing I'm gonna tell you guys up front. If the kids lose, I am leaving. No pressure though, no pressure, okay? So, we're gonna start with our sound effects, okay? And like I said, you guys are the judges, so you guys have to tell us who you guys like the most. So we're gonna do all the adults first, you guys cheer, then all the kids, then you guys cheer. Fair? The loudest cheers win. So here we go. First volunteer. Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi! Hoi hoi! Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi! Hoi hoi! Okay. How did they do? Now, little ones, ready? Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hot hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hot hoi!
Hoi hoi!
Hot hot!
How'd they do? We got some good judges. Very good, guys. Good judges. Okay, we're gonna do one more sound effect, okay? Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chuck de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Chak de!
Oh, chuck de!
He wanted the mic. There we go. Ready? Chak de!
Chakate!
Chak de!
Chakade!
Chak de!
Chakade!
Chak de!
Chanti de!
Chak de!
Shanti de!
How'd they do? Let's give a round of applause to all the volunteers. Kids, you guys won. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, guys, volunteers, all go back to your seats. Thank you. Thank you. You guys did a great job. Great job, guys. All right, let's go back to your seats. Okay, so before I finish with the sound effects, you haven't heard my favorite sound effect yet, okay? So my favorite sound effect goes like, Now, what I want you guys to do, this was not a popular sound effect during COVID, okay? We're past that now, right? So now we can do this. So what I want to do, I want to do a Bhangra wave this way. All you have to do in your respective area, when I point in your direction, okay? All the way around, I'm going to come all the way back, okay? Like in baseball, there's a 7th inning wave. This is the Bhangra, okay? So here we go, on my count. Close. Nah, she doesn't like it. Okay.
I can't do it.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to go all the way back. We're not done yet. Hold on. We're going all the way back. yourselves a round of applause, guys. The sound effect's not easy to do, right? But it's a lot of fun with it. Okay, so you guys have seen us do sound effects, right? Now, do you guys want to see us dance? Yeah! Okay, so when we're doing our dance now, right? You guys have heard these sound effects, okay? If you guys like what we're doing, make the sound effects. You guys make the sound effects, you'll make us dance harder for you guys. Is that fair? Okay. Okay, track one, please, track one.
Boston Bhangra.
ਦਾ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਮਿਲਕ ਦਾ ਰੂਪੀ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਸਿਲਕ ਦਾ ਸੂਟ ਐਨੀ ਸੌਫਟ ਸਕਿਲ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਿਲਕ ਦਾ ਸੂਟ ਟਿਫਨੀ ਦੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਸਲੇਟ ਕੁੱਟ ਤੇਰਾ ਘੁੰਮਦੀ ਚੰਡੂ ਦੇਣੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਜੋ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਊਸ ਬੁਰਜ ਖਲੀਫਾ ਸਾਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਤਾਰੀਫਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਜੱਟ ਖੜਾ ਏ ਦੱਸ ਕੀ ਦੂਰੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਰ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਦਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ
गल दे चूड़ी चाड़ के रखी दी हाय कार नार ते दुनियादारी ताड़ के रखी दी हाय चाहते लिखत में काड़ के रखी खलकत खुडे बाड़ के रखी ओ मित्रा दा बाली बलिए बिच नेरिया गुड्डी चाड़ के रखी सिद्धी ओदे नाल जो लेखा जोखा रखदा ए जेड़े अंदरों मारन लाटे उन्हां दा मूंह ही दसदा ए